ATOS Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Atossa Therapeutics, it's 96 cents. It's 10% up. This is ultimately how my chart's going to look like. Yeah, previously I was very open for these long ideas and whatnot, but after we reached a certain point, it started plummeting down and no double breaks ever got made. So, starting off from like a scratch. You have to understand that even from this weekly chart, ultimately everything is coming from this demand. And we reacted quite positively from that. So, I mean, honestly, like as I'm looking at this, like literally if I see a pullback on this 4-hour chart, I'm talking like a real pullback and then a break above it, nothing is stopping me from continuing to demolish these longs. Like, this might be like very optimistic, but this is how big things happen. So if the second break happens, I'm just keeping you updated. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.